Looking at homework 7.1, number 16, and we're going to, or no, number 15, excuse me, and we're going to try this problem. It asks you to evaluate log base 16 of x plus 16 over x plus 16 with respect to x. And so what you're going to probably have to do to begin with here is use the change of base formula, because that's really what we're gonna have to worry about first. Okay, so the change of base formula is that the I just had another thought though. This may not actually be a good idea. All right, we'll try it. Log base b of a is the same as, you can change the base by doing ln of b over the ln of a. Just kidding. ln of a over ln of b. Okay, and so, or you could use log of a over log of b, meaning base 10, or if you want to be crazy, you could do log base 3 of a over log base 3 of b. Okay, so that's just a change of base formula. So maybe that will help us work with this problem. Instead of log base 16 of x plus 16, let's say that that is the ln of x plus 16 over the ln of 16, and that's times the 1 over x plus 16. Does that make sense, what I did? Okay. Now, remember that ln 16 is just a number, so you can actually pull that out in front. So you have 1 over ln 16 equals the integral from 0 to 16 of ln x plus 16 over x plus 16 dx. All right, and then if you, this is a really fun one. Okay, your u, because last time I sort of told you that the u should be not very complicated, but in this one your u should be a little bit complicated. What you want the u to be is the ln x plus 16. So if you let u equal ln x plus 16, what happens to the du? What is du? 1 over x plus 16 dx. And that's nice, right? Because that is exactly what you have there. Okay? So and this, of course, right here, this whole thing right here is going to be your u. So you will have 1 over ln 16, and then I'm going to go ahead and change my little guys. All right, when x is 0, u will be ln of 16. And when x is 16, u will be ln of 32. Are y'all okay? Okay, and then you're going to have u and then just du. Is that processing, Brandon? Yeah, okay. So then now, what do? Right, now it's just add 1 to the exponent, put it over it, right? So this is going to be 1 over ln 16 times u squared over 2, evaluated from ln 16 to ln 32. All right, and then this is going to be, all right, and this is like, at this point, you're going to have to start being really cool. And I don't know if are you cool? Are you pretty cool? Because 16 is 2 to the 4th, and 32 is 2 to the 5th. And that's going to be to your benefit to be thinking of it in that way. So, and I've got this 2 right here, so note, 16 is equal to 2 to the 5th. So ln 16 is the same as ln 2 to the 5th, which is 5 ln 2, right? And 30, oh, no, Miss Brooks. God. 16 is 2 to the 4th. Sorry. You get the idea, though, right? 32 is 2 to the 5th. 32 is 2 to the 5th. So the ln of 32 is 5 times the ln of 2. Y'all with me using the power rule? So this, you have to get kind of snazzy. Okay, so handling this part right here, this stuff right here, this 2 I'm going to put in front, and this ln 16 I'm going to think of as 4 ln 2. So that is really 1 over 8 ln 2, just that part right there. All right, then the fundamental theorem, your u squared, the ln 32 squared. Well, ln 32 was 5 ln 2. So 5 ln 2 squared minus ln 16, which was 4 ln 2 squared. Y'all with me? All right. And so this is 1 over 8 ln 2. 5 squared is 25. So this is 25 ln 2 squared minus 16 ln 2 squared. And these are the same animal, ln 2 squared and ln 2 squared, they're the same animal. So you've got 25 and you take away 16, which makes 9. Is that right? No. Yes. 4, 5, yeah, 9. So you have 1 over 8 ln 2 times 9 ln 2 squareds. And so then finally, the ln 2's will cancel. I mean, one of them will from the denominator, and you'll have one at the top. So this is 9/8 ln 2. I don't know if that's what they got, but that's what I got. Let's see. Here. I'm going to try it. Y'all want to watch me miss it? Let's see. 9. Pardon?
You can answer that.
You don't think it's wrong? LN. No, come on. I can't type it in. LN 2. Maybe? Well done. Oh, I rock. I'm so proud of myself. Okay. How irritating is that? Now, what's the next one? 22, Brandon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and to be fair, yeah, this problem that I just did, yeah, that was, we didn't go over all of that in the notes. That was a lot of stuff remembering from pre-cal you had to kind of be snazzy with. Okay, so I'm going to stop that recording.